you? This is Mr. Santana. Just want to go over how to rotate a figure 90 degrees on a coordinate plane. As you see here, we have triangle ABC. The vertices are given. They are 3, 1, 3, 4, and 1, 4. So the task is to rotate this 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now, as you know, the clock regularly goes in this direction, but counterclockwise, we're going to end up rotating this way in that direction. So it's like you're going to take the graph and you're going to just spin the whole thing. So basically, this is what we're kind of viewing. This is a 90-degree turn right there. So when we finish, our shape should be right there. That's the concept behind the 90-degree rotation. All right, so as you can see, what I would like for you to know is if I create a line from here to here, right? The line that has to be created for this to be a 90-degree turn would have to go to the same location if I had turned this whole thing. As you can see, that forms an L, and that would be a 90-degree rotation. So that's the goal, is to definitely have this item right there. So point C is 1 unit away from the 4 on the y-axis. So if I rotate this axis down here, it's 1 unit away. So that's where C prime is going to end up. Similar, here point A is 1 unit away from the 3 on the x-axis. So if we rotate this over here and then go the 1 unit, A is going to be right there. You kind of see that the diagonal right there is going to end up right there. B is at 3, 4. So from 4, it's 3 units away. So same thing, I have to go here to the 4 or -4, had this line rotated over, and it's 3 units away. That puts it right there. So that's going to be that point. So as you can see, it kind of looks like a triangle already. And what we're gonna do is now just connect the lines. So from here to here, that's gonna be one line, and here's the third line. So you can tell that that does look like it. That's what we wanted. This was point C, so this is C prime. This was point B, so this is B prime. And this was the rotation of point A, so this is A prime right there. So there's your rotation. The image is triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, and as you can see, it's the same as if I had rotated the entire graph 90 degrees. See that? That's where we want it to be, right there. All right, so that's your 90-degree rotation. Points ended up where they needed to be. And there you go.